Try not to hit it right here, Shannon.
What?
Try not to like mess with it down there. You guys ready? You guys ready?
Down there.
What? Come.